Hello, welcome students. In this topic, we will learn about monitor the fabrication of square butt joint on stainless steel sheet 1.6 mm thick in flat position by gas tungsten arc welding.
At the end of this topic, you will be able to prepare the SS sheets. Set the sheet in square butt joint and tack weld. Weld using GTAW process. Inspect the weld for any surface defects. Now, let's look at the tools required to monitor the fabrication of square butt joint on SS sheet 1.6 mm thick in flat position by GTAW. Steel rule. Scriber. Ball peen hammer. Tri-square. Tongs. Steel wire brush. Filler rods. Welding torch. Key and spanner. Helmet type screen. Gas regulator cum flow meter. Welding power source. Shielding argon gas cylinder. Tungsten electrode. Foot switch. Center punch. Now let's look at the pre-welding preparations to monitor the fabrication of a square butt joint on SS sheet 1.6 mm thick in flat position by GTAW. Select low carbon grades of base metal SA240 type 304L stainless steel. Cut the two pieces of SS sheet to the required size of 1.6 mm thickness by 50 mm width by 150 mm length. Clean the surfaces of the SS sheets to obtain high quality welds. Select the filler wire ER308L 1.6 mm. Select the tungsten electrode EWTH2 2 mm. Select the shielding gas for stainless steel welding and purging, that is argon. Adjust suitable gas flow rate in the flow meter 10 to 12 LPM. Tack weld the job piece. We've seen the pre-welding preparations. Now, let's look at the welding process to monitor the fabrication of square butt joint on SS sheet 1.6 mm thick in flat position by GTAW. Keep the tack welded joint on the table. Input argon gas at a flow rate of 2 LPM initially and 3 to 4 LPM during welding as a backing gas to protect the root pass. Practice starting and stopping, welding and running the bead by maintaining proper torch angle. Hold the GTAW torch to about 70 to 80 degrees against the welding direction and 90 degrees against the base metal surface. By switching on the torch, and the electrode should be directed to be the beading edge of the weld pool. weld the root pass with the stringer bead technique. Maintain low heat input to avoid overheating of the weld area. Inspect the weldments for any surface defects. Now, we'll look at the important points to follow to monitor the fabrication of a square butt joint on SS sheet 1.6 mm thick in flat position by GTAW. Go along the leftward direction. Avoid over-deposition by using a proper angle and travel speed of the electrode. Inspect the weld for any surface defects. Ensure the electrical connections are tight. Use proper color lenses. Do not see the arc with bare eyes. Wear proper clothing. Keep combustibles out of the weld area. Always earth the welding machine properly. Blowholes. Cracks. Edge of the plate melting off. Uneven bead width.
Recap.
In this lesson, we have learned to monitor the fabrication of square butt joint on SS sheet 1.6 mm thick in flat position by GTAW, prepare the SS sheets, set the sheet in square butt joint and tack weld, weld using GTAW process, inspect the weld for any surface defects. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye.